Here I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the password and biometrics section, then go to the fingerprint. Firstly, you will have to add your fingerprint. If you don't know how to add fingerprint, you can find a video tutorial about it on our channel, so go watch it. Add fingerprint, then come back here. Then after you entered fingerprint, go to the use fingerprint for, then enable lock apps. Then you will have to set up your privacy password. You can set up the 6-digit code. You can use different password type like 4-digit code, 4 to 16-digit code, password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. I'll just select the simplest one. So you enter your code, then you confirm it, then you have to answer the security question, I guess. Tap next. Now when you have lock apps enabled, you have to go back to the settings, then go to the privacy, then go to the lock apps. Then you have to use your fingerprint sensor or just enter the password, and here you can block apps. Let's block, for example, Chrome, and maybe let it be just Chrome. And as you can see right now, I can't access Chrome without my fingerprint. After you lock the screen, then when you unlock the phone, the Chrome will be locked again. And now you have to unlock it one more time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.